Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Ban Pynsuk iki Paidbah babaniyo iki jingshai ke babania. Hagirukom trekam jong ke Ophis su Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi. Ke bos in charge jong Ribhoi District lebo da ke help desk ha Office su Deputy Commissioner ringkar baru helpline number. Ye ke help desk la play do Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi wa Abilash Baranwal. Ringkar ke jenan lang jong ke Additional Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi ke kong balakin Tiorani. Bagi dong tre jong ke Office su Deputy Commissioner. U helpline number ling ba ke WhatsApp number Praiwe laiwe, praiwe iwe kna iwe. On sedang bantrekam nadu kas potrik leber ala dar posan. Hagis ngi betrei kata nadu ke posh po waje min step hadu ke por san baje janmian.
Jing pintek iki Paidbah barok Paidbah. Pokok jing lam jing DC jongi nila play kering helpless. Kebadan ukun number bila ai hangi kang baki beri barok badan kam DC Ophis kila ban godin ki kam ki jam ki jongki. Kila ban phone hulu number ban kli lagi kam ki jongki ki branch ba pe pen kan tap ne ya. Ni kalau ngaski ke bakong san bat kere ka jing persang ke barat ke jongi ban punduna lari ban kam Pynsuk ki Paidbah. Bikin dan kam banwan ban bai kali na jengai bikin yo ke jing tip lumbau ni number bat kila ro ban bu ki message jongki WhatsApp kilang bangila ban facilitate ne banera iki ban yo ya ka service ka por bagian.
In our office, Deputy Commissioner office, we have started this practice of help desk. 2 people are being dedicatedly appointed for the same. Anyone who comes to office and seeks any guidance regarding where is the revenue branch or for that matter establishment, anything, they can ask them. Secondly, they are being also provided a phone number. So if any person has any work with DC office and they require a follow-up, they can ask the concerned staff and over phone, and they can follow up so that the person so that the members of the public do not have to come to office again and again just for the same piece of work. They can get information over phone and WhatsApp. Simultaneously, after let's say after they have visited the office, if they have certain complaints or grievances with the office and they want to register the same, they can again approach the help desk and register their feedback and complaints and grievances. So basically these 2 people will be equipped with every information that is there to be provided to public, and the idea is to facilitate public as much as possible so that their numerous trips to DC office can be minimized.